Channel 28DX, Radio Stefan DX, DX, hello, break. I guess that's Lakeside. 001. This is Mr. Coffee in Fisher, California.
Hey, 001, I wasn't paying no attention, man. I got on my radio time. Hey, Mr. Coffee, 445 Radio Man, heard you out there? Sounding real good. Mr. Coffee, 445, right back.
And told me how to adjust.
All right, Mr. Coffee, got rough and tough that time, but we'll holler at you later. We'll hear you out there. Hey, you have a good rest of the weekend and a good next week. Hey, Mr. Coffee, 445 Radio Man, back quiet. You got that weed pulling mobile laid down. Go over the roof. That's my lunch. I'm going to find Mr. Green stepping back. California, man, oh man.
I don't know if you can still hear me. This is Mr. Coffee. If you can come back to me, please tell me where you work. Mr. Coffee in Modesto, California.
Sounding good, 413, 952 Red Line out here in California. Northern California, that is. All right, Mr. Coffee, I believe you said you're out there around Modesto, California. Nice place out there. I've been there. Hey, Mr. Coffee around Modesto, 445. Said I'll see you later. Bye-bye. No, don't place me in Southern California. I'm in Northern California. I don't associate with down there.
Thank you for coming back to me. I know where you work. And I'm so nervous. I don't know.
413, you have a good day or the rest of the night out there, man. Have a good evening. We're at 952. Be back in a sec. I appreciate you rolling that out to Road Dog. He's a good friend of mine. I appreciate it. Hey, Lakeside, Drake. I can't believe you're slamming me from Georgia, man. That's sounding good out here. 919, and I'm sitting by. 932 waving your way. Hey, good evening, right back to you there in the bluegrass. 919's waving at you, and I'm sitting by.
Hey, take care. 369, 932 waving right back to you.
Well, good evening time right back. 919, and I'm sitting by.
Take care, man. 932 getting on down. I'll see you.